Hello everyone, Jeff with the Green Review. Sometimes people wonder if wind chill affects plants. It does not. Wind chill is the effect of the wind taking away the warm temperature from a warm object. Plants are not warm. They are the temperature of the air already. So even if the sun were to warm up one part of a plant, the wind would remove that heat back down to the existing air temperature in the surroundings, but not lower. It does not have a wind chill effect. It just would bring it down to the normal temperature. So wind chill does not affect plants. Wind can affect plants. The winter air is dry, and so the plants are losing moisture to the winter air. The wind can accelerate that, so the wind can reduce the amount of moisture inside the needles of an evergreen or in the branches of a deciduous tree or shrub, and it's exposed to the air. So we do have that potential problem. Most plants are designed pretty well to handle that. The leaves have a waxy coating, the little pores, the stomatas that are open for the air to gas exchange in the leaf are on the bottom of the evergreen needles, so they're not affected by the wind as much. So there's just different adaptations that the plants have to be able to handle that. Occasionally you will find winter wind damage or desiccation, drying out on evergreen leaves or evergreen plants that are exposed to unusual winds or a big temperature shift, and you'll see that the part of the plant that's below the snow level will be green, and the part that's above, that's exposed, will dry out and die. And so you might find that, but that's pretty rare. We don't see that very often. So wind chill does not affect plants, but the wind can by drying it out, and the plants are pretty well adapted to handle that. And this has been a Green Review. Thanks for watching.